given to the students or not? Out of 10 students, your 5 students will be like this. Release here. Why you got to know? Or do that namaskara and that's it. Hold here. So where you have to put the break. Now this option should be. I'm just checking what happens to this body. Come to namaskara. Now her palms are able to touch the brick. Get into namaskara outside the right knee with the left elbow. Now release the left palm on the brick. Release the left palm on the brick. It's not coming. Raise the height. Now take the toes tucked in. Raise the knee off. Hold there. With both hands, hold the brick. First create a grip. Your left hand will be holding the brick and right hand will come on the waist and create a twist, create the space. So, it's a balance, twist and lateral stretch. Raise the hand up. Extend here. Because the moment I start asking her to extend the hand over the head, maybe this leg will start shaking. So let it be here or here. Inhaling, come back, exhale, release. Chair. Yeah, huh?
Difficult.
Difficult, yes. Release. Bring the chair. That's okay. Now with the chair, now see, with the chair, what happens? With the chair, what will happen? You need to give a twist. See here, this is the idea. Holding this. So I have changed completely. So the concept you should not change, the concept of the body will not change, but modifying the arrangement of the free body parts. Who is free here? The hands are free. Hands are coming in namaskara mudra or hands are going down and up. So those will take the chair. Clear? Now this knee can come in the center also. But why did I keep the knee out? To create a space in the stomach so that you bring more twist to it. Why the left knee was down? Because we don't put effort in balancing. First put effort in twisting, because this is a twist asana. First this is twist, then second it is balance. Yes, sir. Feel this now. Preparation to the student. Sir. Sorry. So your chair is no.
That's it. No, that level.
Correct. Bend the right knee and bring the chair like how you are creating the brick. Yeah. Now keep arranging yourself in such a way that you are getting a twist with the help of the chair. Now height is higher than the brick. Is it helping? Now see, it's helping. See, it's helping. But the foot has to slightly come back. So that foot has to come slightly back to create an alignment. But see, we cannot see that perfection in everybody. Maybe he might be suffering with this groin. So this hand is pressing here to create this here space. This hand is getting a grip to push this. Now see, it has come well. We are looking for a twist that we can see it. We are looking for a chest opening. We are looking for a balance. Now this chair has given a complete support without compromising on the quality of the asana. Come back. Release and relax. There you need a teacher's mind.
But ma'am, while generally doing the sequence with bricks, you can't suddenly get a chair.
No.
Just to
When you are
get-
teaching with the chair sequence,
That
you
kind
have
of-
to teach that. When you are teaching with bricks, you are teaching with the bricks and you are giving beginner's position, intermediate position and advanced position. Like, sir, Nalin sir, with the brick. Sir. One, this one. No. Yeah. Water has come. Nalin sir, remove the chair. Take the bricks. I'll tell you how to teach 3 variations of the asana in the same instructions. From Ashva Sanchalan with the flat brick, Ashva Sanchalan with the flat brick. Right foot is forward. Raise the left hand high to the ceiling, inhale, and right palm on the right thigh. Right palm on the right thigh. So right palm on the right thigh. Raise the left hand high to the ceiling. Create a space. Extend up. Further exhalation. Left elbow, outer right knee. The student, those who are beginner, for them, wait. Ashirvada, left hand. A right hand on the waist and hold. Variation number 1. Variation number 2, Namaskara. Keep rolling the left shoulder. Variation number 3, raise the left hand up. Hold. Variation number 4, release the left palm on the brick by raising it or the flat. Now, his hand, this becomes a blockage. So he has to remove it. Take the back toes in. Take the back knee off. Raise and hold the position. Or you can keep the knee down. So the student should be able to bring such twist. Another one is having a grip at the toes to balance. Exhale and release. So you started with level 1, 2, 3 and it is moving up. So your each asana has a beginner's level. If you want to go here, you have to take the steps like this. First, second and third stage. So when you are giving instructions, you are giving instructions of this. You are not giving instructions of this. Many times the teachers feel to teach this because you are able to do it. Then you are not a teacher, you are a performer.
But ma'am, isn't the third stage easier than the first stage?
No?
Because when you're doing that stretch, forward fold. Keeping the bricks more down is difficult than
1 minute.
coming up.
1 minute. When you are coming to Yogatute from your home, which is the place you are crossing? One place name you tell. Huh? So see, this is your home and this is Yogatute. Something you must be crossing, right? Without crossing this, you cannot reach. So this is more difficult. No. This is the easiest place. From home, you have to cross this and then you will reach to this. So it is inline. Clear? And when you are identifying the basic position, see that this is most clear. Here only the problem is. To create the baseline is a challenge. What is your baseline, right? Baseline is a problem. Once you created this baseline, this is easier. When to do what? When the right leg has to come and when the left heel is to turn, if you give ulta instructions, then it went wrong.